Got to go out here and see why these guys are cutting up a brand new custom frame on this Oldsmobile. Let's check it out and see what's going on. Hey, why are y'all cutting up a brand new custom frame?
What?
What are y'all cutting up a brand new custom frame for?
Because it's customly imperfect.
Well, we gotta fix some incorrect measurements.
Did somebody drop their tape measure?
I think their tape measure was off by. I think they shortened it by like 2 3/4 of an inch. Hey, come here around to the back.
Well, let's see. Let me see what's going on. Let me see what's going on here.
This right here, check this out. So, this is supposed to be within 3/4 of an inch for a rubber bushing.
Yeah.
And we're 4 fingers deep.
Huh. Well, how did that bumper fit?
About 4 fingers deep too low.
Huh.
It was down here, and it's supposed to be up here. Because
Yes.
the whole back of the frame from the rear end back is
3 inch.
well, it's actually 2 1/4 too low. So their tape measure was broke on that day.
When you set the bumper
Either
up
that or their amateur fabricators was planning on doing a body lift, I'm guessing.
Well, this is kind of a unique car. I mean, is this a frame they got? Is this something? How'd they build this thing?
Oh, they built it off of the factory frame that we delivered to them, and they had the whole frame to go by.
Oh.
Yep.
So you're correcting that, and didn't you already correct that gas tank?
At first, we moved the gas tank on top of the frame to get it off the ground, because she was about 2 inches from the ground. We backed it up in the driveway right there, and it scraped the whole bottom of it. And so we fixed that. And yep.
All right, so we're fixing it.
So we're gonna take care of it, no charge to the customer.
Yes,
we're
sir.
gonna go ahead and fix it and make it right.
All right, we'll stay tuned and see how it comes out.
All right, check back in about 10 minutes, commercial break.
All right, so we got a bunch of parts laying out here. Morning. For the Camaro. Tyler's making a bunch of noise. We got the rear frame rails in, front pan, making headway on rebuilding this Camaro here. Front flip back on, motor in it. Customer's gonna do all the upgrades to the motor. We're just doing what he asked us to, but it's starting to come back together. Hey, where you at? Oh, there you are. What do you think about working with Professor T?
I love working with him. I absolutely enjoy it. Every minute me and him spend together.
Yeah.
And we are just alike. I mean, it's like he's my real happy, and I'm his real boy. So we just get along so well. I think if me and him got together and actually put our heads together on something, we can make some magic happen.
Speaking of heads,
there's a wet spot over there next to that sandblaster and that little red extension cord laying there. Don't walk over there. It'll light you up.
it looks like it. Kind of got that Ace Ventura haircut.
Yeah. I'm not a pet detective though. I'm not going after a dog or a solid white bat.
Okay, we gotta get over here to this Camaro and see what Travis just did. I thought Tyler was putting it together and you just daggum tore it apart.
Don't blame it on me.
I got video of you cutting it apart.
Look what Tyler done to me.
Huh. Can you go to the hospital? Let me call the fire department. You ain't far from making that thing into a convertible, are you?
Nah. I think it'd be the first 73, 72 Camaro convertible.
Yeah. Hmm.
That might be a little different, huh? So what did
Probably not.
He said, Josh said that he liked working with y'all. Y'all like brothers.
You're just pissed off because you bald.
Look at that haircut, man.
I'm gonna do it.
I think you need to wear it like that every day.
that could be his style?
You could be an internet sensation.
I need that. I need this Camaro and a pack of Pall Mall Reds, and then the picture will be complete.
And some Red Man to go with it.
You need a bandana.
You want to put that together first? The hell no, that's the look right there.
That's air flu.
Take some ratchet straps and strap the rear end to the body.
And it's got the it had the Carolina squat for sure on it.
Think about just making a convertible.
Got a pretty good start.
I mean, in probably 15 minutes, it could be convertible.
Ray, we will put this back together if you're watching.
Let me have that.
I don't want to scare
We're
you.
going to attempt to
Bleeding
put it.
everywhere.
Dude, I'm telling you.
From that cut in between your knuckles?
Yeah, right there. I think I hit a vein.
Don't be like and out with your heartbeat.
I wish I could do it. Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed your commercial. So, this is what we got done since y'all been gone. Got this nice little gap. Got her fitting pretty decent.
And that was all in a matter of what?
I mean, it's like, what, 3 minutes maybe?
3 minutes
4
commercial, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. From our sponsors.
Wouldn't time it, but yeah, our sponsors, you know, we got to give them their time.
You just fast forward through them anyway.
Yeah, DVR, you can actually watch it from real time. You come back in probably 10 minutes or 3. The other side will be ready.
You ain't gonna look at me.
Nate Dogg's out of the picture now.
What'd you do with Nate?
He broke up with him.
You broke up with Nate?
I can't tell you where I hit the body. He's buried in the back seat of that 56 Chevy back there.
I can't tell you where he's at.
How you got rid of the lumps in it? Stuck Nate in there.
He's got
get
all
rid of
them
the
lumps in it, yeah. Ain't gonna be very comfortable.
So, y'all got anything to show on this 98?
You got a frame kind of up on there, don't you?
Not yet.
Not yet?
We're finishing our,
Body mount.
make sure our body is square before we do the last little tack weld. And then we'll finish welding it. And we might actually hear it run after the next commercial break
Cool.
next week.
She's alive! That's one bad truck, ain't it?
It sounds better than I thought it would. No exhaust like tips on it. It's just right there. I took the rings of the clamps off because they were shaking. He was on the brake, had the gas going a little bit in the back.
I wasn't on the gas.
Oh, you weren't on the
No,
gas?
it
The back
was
was
just-
spinning. Me and Nate were pulling
Yeah,
it back over
it
whatever.
was doing that by itself.
No, I thought you were on it a little bit.
What y'all gonna do? Test fit the beds or
I
what?
think so. Just have it here to fit the bed.
I'm gonna have sexual relations with it after everybody leaves.
Huh.
Soot that came out.
Fire right up.
You're not gonna molest my truck. Well, let's see what Zach's doing in here on this. Zachary, big block, the big kahuna. 6x9. What you doing?
I am putting this back together. Put the tail light back in, wired that all up, and I did a little buffing. Just a little bit of buffing.
Yep, so got the light back on, putting the...
Got that all fixed up.
Oh yeah, got that all done. Got the door painted. Professor T did that on Friday.
On Friday.
And as we mentioned before, all the wood paneling, owner's got someone that's going to do that for him that specializes in that.
Special.
So this will be picked up on Wednesday.
So you coming to get on Wednesday?
Yes, on Wednesday.
Cool.
So you got it all, you finished cutting and buffing the painted areas?
Didn't really cut and buff it, just kind of
Polished it out, because it was pretty clean, wasn't it, paint-wise?
polished it a little bit.
Clean her up and should be ready. Looks like the body shop's filled up with some stuff since Friday.
It is.
Shalom.
Hello.
What you doing?
Looking.
Looking, is this all the parts for the 51-3100 came in Friday?
Yes.
So we getting ready to epoxy them or what?
Yeah, epoxy them.
Did y'all do the cab or is it no?
No, just these parts right now.
Repaint or paint the, those are ready? Tailgate, under the hood.
All those parts.
I didn't realize we had not painted the hood yet on the Scout. All those parts over there ready too? That's for the same truck or what?
That's for the Scout.
Scout, okay.
Got parts everywhere.
Parts everywhere, I know. It's crowded in here. Got a new 51-3100 came in Friday. This is it. We got some metal work to do. The whole floor is out of it, so probably gonna be best to, and less expensive to order a new floor pan for it versus try to make one. Got some cab corners to work on, some fenders. Again, we look at it from a time versus cost versus time. You know, if it costs $300-400 for a fender, we probably can't fix them for that. So we're going to go through all that and advise the customer owner what we think's best. All right, and here is the frame for the 51-3100. I think we're going to mock it up for an LS1 for the customer. He's got a conversion kit on it. I believe it's an easy conversion kit, so we'll paint all the raw metal on it, set the frame down on it, epoxy it, and just see how far he wants to go with us finishing it out. Nate Doggy Dog, your hair's you been pulling it out today? Huh? It's just Monday.
I know.
It's all it is Monday. Dang, you had all weekend to relax. Well, what?
Well, when you got 2 kids like I've got, you don't get much rest.
That's just an excuse.
No,
That's kind of mean, eh?
I've got 2 kids, but one's back there. He's self-sufficient.
yeah.
I got 2 horses, 2 donkeys, 3 cats, 1 dog.
And a partridge in a pear tree.
You got any fainting goats?
No, but we
Dude,
thought
I'd
about
love to
getting
have a
some.
fighting goat.
You need someone.
Hey, did y'all hear that Tyler's rabbit passed away?
I did.
Tyler.
What do you have a rabbit for?
I had a rabbit since middle school. I got him in middle school.
Yeah, he was badass too. He'd bite you. He's mean. Yeah. He put your.
The cats were scared of him.
What you doing? Putting valve covers on?
Yeah, I notched it to where it clear the header that Nate didn't want to do, I guess. I don't know.
Ain't nobody won't do them. Everybody needs to think it started and quit.
Got the rear seat in.
Bam.
Package tray. Door panels. Carpet just pulled back. Finishing it out. Hey, you got anything to say about
Monster.
Yeah.
I wish they'd come up with some more flavors.
I got you some new flavor in there. You just ain't got to it yet. It's a surprise.
Woo! I like surprises.
What did we go pick up today?
Boat anchor.
Well, it's about that heavy, yeah.
I believe it could hold the Titanic. That joker is heavy. 73 International Scout engine. Looks
Yeah, I
good, too.
don't even know what size it is, to be honest. But
It's like a 400, 300.
oh, it
Tractor?
looks good. We're going to have to paint it, but
It looks good. Philip Lynch. Lynch
Yeah.
Machine Shop.
Lynch Machine Shop did it, yeah. Oh, yeah.
They done it right. On point every time. Perfect.
Huh.
That's what 800 horsepower is like.
800.
We got 800 horsepower in the International Scout.
Is it like one of those inline fours?
No, it's an inline 8-cylinder.
Is it
It's
inline?
two inline fours on each side
Oh,
in a Y formation. Or
Two
V
barrel, too.
formation.
800 horsepower on two barrel.
yeah.
Huh?
No.
Yeah.
No.
It outrun that daggum Joe Dirt and that Fall Guy.
I doubt it.
I'm just kidding, it won't. Which one's faster, Joe Dirt or Fall Guy?
Joe Dirt. Because Fall Guy, just the transmission kills it. Because of the long throw.
Was that the one you went up the street in? That day through the school zone?
I went twice.
Was I can't remember the one we got on video, if it was a Fall Guy or if it
Well, the
was
Fall
a...
Guy went up through there and the guy said he could do that burnout with his bicycle.
Oh, that's, yeah, but no,
And
it
then
was...
Joe Dirt was the other one.
The, Joe Dirt's the one where you went through the school zone at 96 mile an hour.
But you know, ever since that guy said that, Joe Dirt ain't been back.
No, Joe Dirt did come back. He said that on the Fall Guy,
Oh,
didn't
the
he?
fall guy hadn't been back.
Yeah.
I think he got scared.
He didn't drove that.
And he really got scared when the Prius was trying to jump on him.
Yeah, he...
Oh, who? You.
You don't want 60-foot to Prius now. You already said that. I got it on
I
video.
think we can do it from back up right there from the edge of the concrete to like right here. There's enough room between the two and stop. Because you ain't going to be going...
As long as he don't ram me, he wants
Ain't
to
gonna ram
turtle
me.
that
Look,
thing.
you'll have plenty of time to stop because you ain't going to get going good by the time he's winning. It'll be like...
You waiting on Carter?
I am.
So this is the
This is
International Scout motor.
Is it 345, I believe?
345. Two banger.
Two banger.
Yeah, it's an OV2.
That's a big old motor for with a two barrel on it, ain't it? Looks good.
Well, they weren't known for horsepower, but they could pull the
It's amazing that
they
Lynch.
could pull the house down. That's for sure.
It's amazing that Lynch's machine shop got 800 horsepower out of that two barrel. All right, we got this 74 Corvette in. Had a little damage on it. An insurance claim that we do some work on for Haggerty and customers sometime when they have an insurance claim. But while he's in here, Josh is doing a little tune-up on her. And some odds and ends. And got a new headlight cover on its way. So it'll be here for a few days and get it worked out.
So what we have here, this was 2.5 inches too low, so it wasn't up where it needed to be, which made the whole bumper too low, which we showed in another video. So what we done is we sectioned it, cut it off, raised it up, boxed it, making her like she's supposed
Let's
to be.
look around back and see how it matches up on the rear
See
end.
how much better?
Oh, you got that 3/4 inch there, huh?
Huh, how about that? It's amazing.
Well, you didn't drop your measure.
Nope.
Tape measure. So,
Yeah, so
bumper
we-
gonna fit right back up on there.
Yes, sir.
Lined up. Gas tank's gonna be at a normal height. Won't
Hopefully.
drag. So, yes, sir. Well, let's update this Camaro from last week. It's Monday, and
Hey!
What?
Let
What?
me tell the story.
oh, okay. Sorry.
I won't be TV star.
Well, you gonna do it today or tomorrow?
I think I get dressed for the occasion first. So what we got here? Nice gaps. Got the quarter fitted. We got this back glass set up in there.
Is it fitted in there?
Yeah, that's about where it's gonna go. Nah, seriously though, we had it up in there, got it all squared up, looking good. Got our trunk gaps looking pretty. Check these gaps out. I mean, you know, the factory didn't have gaps like that. So yeah, that's how we roll.
Tail pan in?
Well,
Is it all-
we kind of got it all screwed together.
Screwed. It ain't welded up
No,
yet.
it
It's
ain't
just
nothing welded, 'cause there's so much going on that.
gotta make adjustments.
Yeah, we get everything fitted and got the back end doing our measuring underneath, cross measure, make sure everything's good to go. And got to adjust this door a little bit more. Quarter. Found some damage from previous years. So, but it's all coming together though pretty good. Pretty good. Get it.
Now, will you take all that back off before you weld it?
Yeah, as soon as we get it all fitted and get everything around the back and underneath and the inner wheel wells, outer wheel wells, everything screwed together where we're gonna go, then we'll take it apart, prep everything, put it all back together.
You gonna spray the inner quarters?
That
With,
depends on
lizard
up
skin?
to the customer.
Maybe
Yeah.
put some Dynamat in a couple places?
Yeah, it depends on the customer.
I think we should.
I mean, I think we should too.
Let's do it.
Let's just do it. We ain't even gonna ask him. We're just gonna go with it. We'll just do
We
it.
talked about it. He and I talked about it.
Okay. We're just gonna
It'd be the best thing to do. It ain't gonna
Yeah.
cost that much to do
Nah.
that. Man, it's progress. A lot of progress from early last week. No
Oh,
back
yeah.
half.
By the end of the week, it should be probably all welded up with the rear end stuff back in it. That's what I'm expecting.
Y'all heard that now.
This one right here, this is a little after-hour project for my buddy Dave. It was his dad's truck. He's trying to restore his dad passed away, so anyway, I'm trying to help him out a little bit. But we got a 70 C10, rusted from one side to the other. No sweat. We got all new panels from Dave's Truck Parts. So y'all stay tuned and watch this bad boy come together.
You cut the floor pan out this weekend?
Man, cut the floor pan out. And we're gonna put new floor, new firewall, new cow. We got 2 new doors, pretty much everything.
What you gonna use out of this then?
We're gonna use the roof. This is the second cab, because the first cab was so rotten we couldn't even repair it.
Stay strong there and put the fix bed up.
king dog, ain't you?
About
You
to
look,
go surf it
that's
up.
what you look like you need. You need you a Woody.
Surf's up, big kahuna!
Where's your
Somebody
board, dude?
To the back.
You got your Vans on?
Yeah. We're about to go friggin' hit some waves, man. Gonna hang some 10.
You got some room
If
for
I'm doing good enough, I might be hang some 11.
Hey, you got room for me in there?
Yeah, come on in.
All right, thanks.